Today we are going to be learning how to apply an hemming tape or hemming gum to facing of the neckline of the clothes. This is the neckline of the clothes. I have already sewed the facing to the gown I am making, the dress I am making, and I have top stitched it. Now I'm trying to make it to relax well on the other side. So I'm using an hemming tape to do that. You can also stitch this with needle and thread or tack neatly with machine. But also for more neat work, I'm trying to explain how to make use of an hemming tape. The advantage of hemming tape is you trying to cover the wrong side of a cloth without sewing or stitching on it and without allowing this stitch line to show. So this type of hemming tape, you double it when trying to fix it. You double it. So I'll cut a sizable amount of the hemming tape and double. Then I'll put it under the clothes I'm trying to tape together. And when I put it, I'll make sure it is doubled and it is well laid under so that it will hold a large amount of the facing together with the neckline of the clothes. Then I'll put my hot iron on it and place so it can transfer it into the hemming tape and the hemming tape will melt and gum it like so the way I'm doing it. Then I'll try to be checking on interval so that it's going to burn the clothes. Place it on it. So this way, like when you put this on the facing of the cloth, it makes the wrong side of the cloth very neat. That's why you see some clothes, you'll be like, how did they attach the facing to the cloth? And it is very neat. And you will not see stitch, any stitch on the other side of the on in the front of the cloth. So most of those fashion designers that you see there, so if you are using an hot iron, please try to make sure you keep checking it so it won't burn the clothes. But if you are making use of a steam press iron, you pump in water so it will easily make it get ironed and more relaxed. The water will make the clothes relax. But I am making use of a hot iron, a dry iron rather. It is a dry iron, not hot iron, because every iron is hot. So it is a dry iron. So let me show you the other side of the neckline. You see, it is very neat and well made. So this is the result. It gives neat finishing to the neckline of the clothes.